day. This is Teacher Liezl. I am your teacher in English. We are going to discuss English 2, Quarter 3, Module 4, which is recognizing the difference between made-up and real in text lesson 2. Before we will start, please prepare the following. We need a copy of English 2, Quarter 3, Module 4, a pencil, a notebook, and a yellow crayon. This module is designed and written with a learning competency of recognizing the difference between made-up and real in text lesson 2. This will help you to recognize the difference between made-up and real in text lesson 2. At the end of this module, you are able to learn the following objectives. 1. Identify the text as made-up or real. 2. Differentiate made-up and real. 3. Select whether the texts are made-up or real. To check your previous knowledge, we are going to identify the sentences, whether it is real or made up. Children, directions. Write capital letter R if the sentence is real and capital letter M if it is made up. Number 1. The house is flying. Number 2. The dog is barking in the yard. Number 3. The plate is floating in the air. Number 4. The boys eat vegetables. Number 5. The children are playing sipa. Let us check your answer. For number 1, the house is flying. It's made up. Number 2, the dog is barking in the yard. It's real. Number 3, the plate is floating in the air. It's made up. 4, the boys eat vegetables. It's real. For number 5, the children are playing sipa. It's real. To develop our vocabulary, let us proceed to task 2. Look at the pair of words and identify if it is synonyms and antonyms. Write capital letter S if it is synonyms and capital letter A if antonyms. Number 1. Pretty and beautiful. Number 2. Tall and short. Number 3. Dark and bright. Number 4. Neat and clean. Number 5. Smart and intelligent. Let's check your answers. For number 1, pretty and beautiful are synonyms. Tall and short are antonyms. 3. Dark and bright are antonyms. 4. Neat and clean are synonyms. 5. Smart and intelligent are synonyms. Since we are done with synonyms and antonyms, we are going to read a poem. But let us know first the meaning of difficult words found in the poem. This is called Unlocking of Difficulties. Unlocking of difficulties. Read the following sentences to unlock the meaning of unfamiliar words. The first word is beneath. Its meaning is under. There are pictures to help you find the meaning. Carlo put the picture beneath the pillow. 2. Drifted off means to fall asleep. The baby drifted off easily. 3. Peek means look quickly. Charmaine peeks with her playmates. 4. The word is sneak, which means tiptoe. My brother and I sneak into our parents' room. 5. Wiggling means twisting. The dog is wiggling his tail. Okay, let's start reading the poem. Read the poem below and answer the following questions. The poem is entitled Tooth Fairy. I saw you wiggling in your mouth and knew a tooth would soon be mine. That pearly white was headed south, but it would suit me just fine. You put it under your pillow deep, thinking you'd stay up all night. But then you drifted off to sleep, and I began my fairy flight. So enter your bedroom I did sneak. Upon my fairy wings, beneath your pillow I took a peek, and found my favorite thing. I hope you'll send me other teeth, but there is no big rush. Though every time you lose a tooth, that's one less left to brush. Let us check if you have understood the poem that we've just read. We need to answer these questions. All you have to do is encircle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Where did the fairy sneak out? Letter A, in the bathroom. Letter B, in the bedroom. 2. Who headed to the south? Letter A, fairy foot. B, fairy tooth. 3. What do you think he saw beneath the pillow? A, foot. B, tooth. Let's check. For number 1, The answer is letter B. For number 2, the answer is letter B. For number 3, the answer is letter B. What is it? It shows that event is true and possible to happen. It is existing as a thing and occurring in fact. It is not imagination nor artificial. Look at the picture. What is he doing? Prince is watching television. This sentence shows that event is existing or happening in real life because everyone can watch television. So, this sentence is real. Whereas, made up shows that event is not true and impossible to happen. It is unrealistic and never happened in real life. It is just in your imagination, like superhero, fairy tale stories, and fables. Try to see this. The pencil is talking to Rona. This sentence shows that pencil is talking to Rona. But this is impossible to happen because the pencil cannot talk. It is just an imagination of Rona. So, this sentence is made up. Okay, we will proceed to another activity. What's more? The direction says, draw a wand if the sentence is real, and moon if made up. Put your answer on the space provided. Let's start. Number 1. The mother is cooking. Number 2. Anna is reading her favorite book. Number 3. The cat and dog are talking to each other. Number 4. Jade is praying before she eats. 5. The clock is smiling at me. These are the answers. For number 1, it's went. Number 2, it's went. For number 3, it's moon. Number 4, it's went. Okay. It's moon. Let us see what you have learned. If you understand our lesson today, try to answer the following question. How would you define real? Real, it is true and possible to happen. It is existing as a thing and occurring in fact. It is not imagination nor artificial. how would you define made up? Made up. It is not true and impossible to happen. It is unrealistic and never happened in real life. They are just in your imagination, like superhero, fairy tale stories, and fables. Let us proceed to the next activity. You are given two choices. Underline the word real if it can happen in real life. Box the word made up if it cannot happen in real life. Number 1. The toys played each other when kids left the room. Number 2. The cat meowed loudly. Number 3. The invisible kitten played with a ball of yarn. Number 4. The trees have many leaves. Number 5. The star smiled. Let's check your answers. For number 1, the word made up is being boxed. Number 2, real is underlined. Number 3, made up is being boxed. 4, real is underlined. For number 5, made up is being boxed. For our next activity, kindly prepare a yellow crayon. We are now on the assessment. You are given 2 boxes to choose from. The direction says, shade the appropriate box that corresponds to the given phrases. Number 1, dancing flower. Number 2, raindrops. Number 3, talking mirror. Number 4, climbing tree. Number 5, flying carpet. Kindly check your answers. These are the answers. We will now proceed to additional activities. Name on it. Let us help PP to catch the fish that has a word by connecting the rod of real and made up in each fish and write the words in the basket. Fish to its appropriate basket. We have this fish: mango, cell phone, Superman, dwarf, Dr. Jose Rizal. Now, our discussion has ended. Happy learning and mabuhay!